Hello, young adventurers! I'm Captain AHS. Today, Mina and Saro are on a cube countdown adventure. Their mission? To solve subtraction problems using colorful cubes. Can they figure out how many cubes are left each time they remove some? Are you ready for this fun adventure? Let's go!
Look, Saro! I made a tower with 10 cubes. That's awesome, Mina. But what if we take away 2 cubes? How many will be left? If we remove 2 cubes, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 cubes left. Great job. 10 minus 2 is equal to 8. Let's try another one. Here's the challenge, Mina. Start with all 10 cubes, and now remove the 5 yellow cubes. How many cubes are left? Okay, now if I remove 5 yellow cubes, then the blue cubes are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 cubes left. Exactly. 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. Let's keep going. Let's suppose Mina, my toy lion, ate 3 cubes. How many are left? Let's figure it out. If the lion ate 3 cubes, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 cubes left. Great! 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. Here's the final challenge. Start with 7 cubes and take away 4 cubes. How many will be left? If I have 7 cubes and take away 4 cubes, then 1, 2, 3. There are 3 cubes left. 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. You are amazing at this, Mina. Seeing how numbers get smaller when we take something away is great.
Now, it's the time for quiz. Here's your first question. You start with 8 cubes. If you take away 3 cubes, how many cubes are left? Is it option A or option B? Think about it. That's right. The correct answer is option A, 5. If you have 10 cubes and remove all 10 cubes, how many cubes remain? Is it option A or option B? Think about it. Good job! The correct answer is option B, 0. 10 minus 10 is equal to 0. Start with 7 cubes. Subtract 2 cubes. How many cubes are left? Is it option A or option B? Think about it. Amazing! The correct answer is option A, 5. 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. You have 6 cubes. If you take away 3 cubes, how many are left? Is it Option A or Option B? Think about it. Fantastic! The correct answer is Option A, 3. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. You start with 5 cubes. Subtract 1 cube. How many cubes remain? Is it Option A or Option B? Think about it. Excellent! The correct answer is Option B, 4. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Today, you've mastered how to subtract with cubes up to 10. But your journey doesn't end here. Next time, Mina and Saro will learn how to subtract with pictures up to 10. A creative way to explore subtraction. Don't miss out on more free, interactive lessons. Hit subscribe and join us on the journey to education without boundaries.